Do you have one of these Nespresso Vertuo machines and have been searching high and low for reusable capsules? Well, your wait is finally over with the Freedom Refill hack. Sorry Nespresso, but we're declaring this Independence Day and we're taking control of our coffee. Hi, I'm Rob from the Coffee Research Lab. If you want to unleash your coffee experience, then be sure to click the subscribe button below. Since I've promised you something huge, I'm not going to waste any time getting to it. This is the Freedom Refill hack, and it's very simple. Please note that this is a hack. It is not endorsed by Nespresso. We start with an inner pod that's had the rim removed. Then we're going to fill that with ground coffee, and we're going to seal it with a special foil that we teach you how to make. After that, all you're going to need is a barcode. So we're going to use an outer pod that has the barcode and put the two of those together. Best of all, this technique works on all 5 of the different coffee sizes, so you can also use it on an espresso. We're going to show you both of those today. Okay, so while that's brewing, let me step you through this one more time. So we're going to teach you how to make this foil in another video, but before we fill our pod, we want to go ahead and mark the foil. And I would just do this at the edge of the kitchen counter, and that's just going to be to make it easier to center. And we'll go more into the coffee later, so we're going to add the coffee to it. And I'm just going to tap it a little bit there to kind of sift it around. And notice that we're not filling it all the way up, and Nespresso doesn't either. So now we're just going to attach the foil. And we'll press down, give it a little bit of a seal here. Then we just add our pod. And you'll also notice that when you put these two together, it's nice and thin, so we haven't added any thickness. And that's the secret. I hope this video has been an eye-opener and opens up a whole new world of coffee choices for you. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes, and keep watching to learn how to prepare your pods, freedom foils, and coffee.